Alright guys, part 2 of the Fiero build. I had to get a new phone, so I did some work while I didn't have anything to record with. However, I got the taillights out and I got them apart from each other. I got a guy that I'm gonna get a clear lens through. There's probably a lot of controversy around taillights with the Fiero community, but my plan is to nightshade the clear lenses here and nightshade the yellow up here, just so it has like a nice finish when it's done. Also, with the clear lens that I'm getting, I plan on getting the one that is clear all the way through. But first, I plan on putting down a sticker right here before I paint over it with the Cricut. I'll have my wife make that. I wanted to say Murph across here, so that I think that'd be like a nice custom touch to the tail light, so it'll shine through red saying Murph. That'd be pretty sick. How many light bulbs there is in this fucking tail light, dude? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 fucking light bulbs. However, I'm gonna go to Mishimoto.com, not Mishimoto, Mirimoto.com, get the LED set for this car. So the tail light situation will be set. Tail lights are kind of hard to come by with Fieros. They don't make them anymore. There's not very many aftermarket selections that you could use besides like this fucking Ferrari shit. I got the car on jacks. Next plan of operations is to actually drain all of the fluids on this car. I got coolant. I got .3 brake fluid. I got engine oil, gonna drain that. Transmission oil, which I haven't got that yet, but I'm gonna get it. Once all the fluids are drained, we're gonna try to start this thing back up. I wanna show you though, it does need a battery, but the cables to the battery were really fucked up. As you can see, like here's the positive line. It's pretty grimy and looks ugly. Eventually I wanna, go through all these lines and make them look new. But check this out. Oh, here it is. Check this out though. We made our own. You can see here we used what you call that thing?
Let me hold this light.
What you call that thing?
What's up?
That made that sticker?
Oh, we just made a label
maker. Label maker, yeah. And then we got a clear, like a sleeve that uses heat and it shrinks it. New connections here. So that's a clean ass cord. So, once we do that, we're gonna try to fire this thing up. However, I'm gonna get new spark plugs because I bet you these are trash. We'll keep you updated on that. I'm gonna start draining the fluids in this video and we will go from there. All right, so I wasn't crazy. The oil drain plug in the manual, it says, sometimes the oil drain plug is pretty tight and a long breaker bar is needed to loosen it. Boom. I'm trying to get this oil drain plug out. There's also a patch in the oil pan. I'll have to show you guys in a second.
Some metal flakes.
Some nasty ass oil. Look how grimy that is. I took that out to help it drain. And this one off. You can see here. But, look at that. Look at that. Fucking hell. Check this out though. I'm gonna show you under the car real quick. Check this out, cuz. I was wondering where I was getting an oil leak from. Boom. They tried to patch a hole. There was some paint over it. I scraped it off and seen that. I was like, oh, hell nah. But I don't know. Maybe I'll just have to get a new one. I'm not sure how much these are, but I would bet they're expensive. I've been looking for parts cars to try to get parts from, especially on Fiero forums and stuff on Facebook. But there's hella scammers out there, so it's kind of hard to tell. But I'm about to get this oil filter off real quick. I'll show you. Shit, oil got on my arm. Oh, fuck. Hold up, I gotta find that thing. Check this out. Very good friend of mine and family sent me this Pontiac Fiero workshop manual. It's pretty sweet. It's got 84 through 88 all models, so it's perfect for mine. And every manual based on a complete teardown and rebuild. What more could you ask for, bro? I value this a lot, so I really thank you, Ronnie, for sending me this, for real. So I found it. Right there, dude. The manual says it can be hella tight. I'm trying to get it with my hands. Bro, I got this car on jacks, and it's so freaking low. I got no room under here. Yep, that ain't working. I'm gonna have to get the tool. All right, let's see if I can do this. I got this tool. Also got this snap-on light. Fire, dude. $110 though. Crazy, I know. Get this thing off here. Oh yeah. She coming. There we go. Now I'm gonna take it off by hand. Here we go, about to make a mess. Oh shit. It's running down my arm. It's running down my fucking arm, dog. Oh shit, I got it. Yup. Put that thing to the side. Alright, I'm heading out.